guys, and welcome back to my channel. I do hope you all had a lovely Christmas, and today I will be sharing a recipe with you guys for seafood oven boil. To get started, here are the ingredients I will be using. Here I have some snow crab legs. I went ahead and washed them in some lemon juice. I have here some potatoes, spicy smoked sausage, and some corn. I did went ahead and pre-boil my potatoes for about 10 minutes so it doesn't mess with the cooking time for the crab legs and the shrimp. Here I have some, fresh shrimp that I went ahead also and washed in some lemon juice. And for my seasonings, I will be using some Old Bay seasoning, some Cajun seasoning, garlic pepper, some all-purpose seasoning. I have here some parsley flakes, garlic powder, onion powder. I have some paprika, black pepper, grated garlic. I have some butter, and I will be using a little honey. Now let's get started. First, we will season the corn, potatoes, and sausage. I will add some Cajun seasoning, Old Bay seasoning, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, and some black pepper. Next, we will season the shrimp with the same seasonings we used for the potatoes and the corn. We will add some Cajun seasoning, Old Bay seasoning, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and some paprika. We will mix well and we will set aside. Lastly, I will season the crab legs with the same exact ingredients. Note that all of these ingredients will be linked in the description box down below. So now we will add the rest of the ingredients to the pan with the crab legs. We will add the shrimp, then we will add our corn, potatoes, and sausage. Then we will sprinkle a little bit of parsley and we will add some butter. We need that butter in there just to make this nice and rich and yummy. We will cut 1 stick of butter and we will add it to the pan. Then we will cover with some foil wrap, and I have my oven preheated to 400 degrees and I will sit this in there for about 25 to 30 minutes. So now we will go ahead and make our garlic butter sauce. We will start by melting some butter first. Next, we will add our grated garlic and we will allow this to saute for about 2 minutes. We will also keep adding butter little by little. In all, I will be adding 2 sticks of butter to make this sauce. Now that the butter has melted, I will go in with a little bit of all-purpose seasoning. And I will add some garlic pepper. I don't need to season this too much because the butter is salted butter I'm using. And I don't want to overdo it, you know. Then I will add a little bit of honey, just like a teaspoonful, not too much, just to balance everything out. And then I will add my parsley flakes. So now we'll turn the heat off and set this aside until our seafood is ready. Okay guys, so after about 45 minutes, yes, my seafood boil took about 45 minutes because I feel like I have a lot in the pan and it took a while to cook through. So now we will go in with that butter sauce that we made and we will drench the entire thing with this buttery sauce. And guys, this smells so amazing, guys. If you try this recipe, you won't be disappointed. It is super delicious and amazing. And what I like to do is pour all the juices from the bottom of the pan. I like to pour that juice out, and then what I do is pour it over top of the seafood, and it is so amazing, guys. All that butter, the seasoning, everything is just mouth watering. Okay guys, so this is my version of a seafood oven boil, or you can say a seafood oven steam, because it's not boiled, it's steamed. It is super delicious, flavorful, buttery, and everything you would want in your seafood. I do hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Please guys, subscribe. And I will leave all the ingredients down in the description box, and I will see you guys in my next video. Enjoy!